Hey guys, welcome to the next section, charts and graphs. So for those of you who love colorful and shiny objects and shiny things, you're going to love this lecture. So what I've provided to you guys is a initial set of data. So you don't have to clean this up, you don't have to do anything to it. This will just be our base information in order to create these pie graphs, bar graphs, scatter plots, and so on. So why is it important to be able to do this? Now, this is a fundamental technique and tool that I think everybody should master. Okay, now the great thing about visualizing your information is not only will it take up less space, but people are more responsive to it. When you send information in a giant table, people feel like it's an effort to try and figure out what's going on. But if you send it to them in a pie chart, they're like, okay, this is the biggest piece. What is this piece? Okay, or a bar chart and go, wow, this one is really high. Why is this so high? It's more engaging for the user. Not only that, seeing information in visual form, it makes it a lot easier to see any unique anomalies or anything in particular, big jumps or big peaks in line graphs or some resources taking up extra space in a pie chart and so on. So on top of actually building these things, I'm also going to teach you along the way things that you should do and shouldn't do when building these things. Basic principles, putting a title in, labeling your axes, getting the right units on the left, on the vertical and horizontal axis, basic things like that. Now, the trick for charts and graphs, which will separate the people who didn't take the time to learn to those who look professional, is learning how to go from a basic chart, applying the right formatting, coloring, themes, and so on, and that'll make the biggest difference in the world. Okay, guys? So enough talk, let's get started. See you soon.